Hi there, welcome back to my channel. This is Shepa. I make makeup and lifestyle videos. Please subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube family. And today we'll be testing out magnetic eyelash and eyeliner that really works. And the eyeliner today that I'm talking about is by Kiss, and it's Kiss magnetic eyeliner. It says that it has biotine in it, which is really good. I like the idea of having biotine in your eyeliner. But who knows if it really works. And here is the magnetic lash that I will be using today. So both of them are by Kiss, and it's their Kiss magnetic eyeliner and eyelash. Let's put them in test. So here is the lash. The holder is really cool that it has magnets in both sides, so you can hold them really nice, and it's very good to store. And here is the eyeliner, and this is how it looks. I like it. I mean, it works as a magnetic eyeliner, but it's kind of hard to work with. It's very thick, which makes sense because it has magnets in it. I bought both of them from Ulta Beauty, and the eyeliner retails for $9.99 and the eyelash is $8.99, I believe. I will add the link in the description box, so if you want, you can check that out. So here I am applying the eyeliner for the first time. It is a liquid eyeliner and it has magnets in it. So obviously it's a little thick and a little more difficult to work with, but which makes totally sense because I mean, it will be all worth it if it works, right? So yeah, let's see. But you know, to get a really good result, you have to at least apply 2 layers of it. And when you are layering the eyeliner, like, you have to wait for it to dry and then put another layer on it. That makes it very heavy and thick, but you know, it's all worth it if it works. So we'll see how it goes. Like I said, that it's difficult to work, and that's why I am using my regular eyeliner. It's still a all-day liquid eyeliner. I love this eyeliner. So what I'm doing here is I'm just fixing my inner corner because it's just easier to do with a regular eyeliner. If you want to do wings, you can do it too using your regular eyeliner, but all we need is that magnetic eyeliner in our lash line where we will be putting that lash on, right? Alright, so here I'm doing the second layer of that magnetic eyeliner because it's just to be sure that it will work, right? So you will have to wait until it's dry and then put second layer and then wait for it to dry. And then it's time to use the lash. Now, according to your eye size, you might have to cut a little piece from the outer side just to be sure that it's your eye size, and then just snap it on, and that's how easy it is. I'm really impressed how easy and it really works. It's staying on my eyes, so it really works. All you have to do is just make sure that you put a thick, nice layer of eyeliner, and then your eyelash will just stick on. And after wearing this eyelash, I did film another video, so it took me another 3 hours, and I've been wearing this. So I would say it's pretty good. If you're a beginner and you think that glue is just a little too much for you, then you can just start with this. It feels good, it stays on, so I would say I'm pretty impressed with this. I like the idea of magnetic eyelash and eyeliner. I don't think it will be a very good idea to wear it outside in a windy weather, but other than that, I'm pretty impressed. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel. This means the whole world to me right now, and see you in another video. Bye bye.